Did you know that the average cold email response rate is only 1%? But what if I told you that some marketers get response rates of over 15%? Stick around because today we're diving into the secrets of cold emailing that actually get responses in 2024. Cold emailing might seem straightforward, sending emails to prospects without prior contact. It sounds simple, but there's a twist. When executed with precision, it's not just a shot in the dark, it's a strategic masterpiece. First, personalization. This isn't just about using the recipient's name, it's about referencing specific challenges they face or recent achievements they've made. It shows you're not just sending a template. Next, your value proposition. What's in it for them? Highlight what you can offer that's of true value. Can you solve a problem they have? Tell them how, succinctly and clearly. Finally, the subject line. This is your make or break moment. Quick question might work, or try sparking curiosity with something like, "Is X a priority for you right now?" It's about grabbing attention and making them want to read more. While there are many tools out there to optimize your cold emailing campaigns, today I want to introduce a game changer exclusive to our audience: InboxPlus. InboxPlus transforms your Gmail or G Suite accounts into powerful marketing tools. Integrated with Google Sheets, it uses unique formulas to help you send dynamic emails with varying subject lines and personalized offers. Setting up is a breeze. Just input your data into the Google Sheet, like your contact's name, their business, a personal note, and Inbox Plus does the rest, ensuring each email is perfectly tailored. Let's craft our email. Start with a friendly opening, straight to the point. Introduce yourself and why you're reaching out specifically to them. Keep your message brief and to the point. Emphasize your value proposition early and end with a clear call to action. What do you want them to do next? Make it easy for them to say yes. If you think sending one email is enough, think again. Follow-ups are where you win. Wait a few days, then remind them subtly of your previous email. Adjust your tone based on their response or lack thereof. Not getting the responses you hope for? It's time to tweak your approach. Analyze what works and what doesn't, then refine your next batch of emails. Let's look at some success stories. Here's Raphael, who achieved a 20% response rate by using these exact strategies. Notice how Raphael personalized his emails and followed up twice. That persistence paid off. We've covered a lot today, from crafting your email to following up like a pro. Remember, cold emailing is an art, and with the right techniques, you can master it. Now I'd love to hear from you. What's the most successful subject line you've ever used? Drop it in the comments below. And if you want to get more exclusive content like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon.